Oh hey, today we're insulating some garage doors. We're going to make this place warm. This is going to be the last video in this series that I've been doing to improve the conditions in Your Couch Sucks Build Something workshop. We're going to insulate the garage doors. My garage doors are pretty much hollow. There's nothing in them as far as insulation. You touch the door, it's cold. It's about 26 degrees outside, so it's about 40 degrees in the garage right now, although that's heating up because I did an installation of a heat storm infrared heater. Catch that in the last video I did. Make sure you watch that. Pretty good unit. It seems to be warming up the garage pretty well. It's running right now. I'm using, at this point, it's 1 inch thick foam insulation. It's got an aluminum foil back. If you live in a hot environment, I would put the aluminum foil out to keep the heat out. I want to keep the heat in, so I'm going to put the aluminum foil side facing inside the garage. So we're going to do that. I'll show you how I'm doing it. Okay, the tools that you'll need to do the garage door installation project, other than the 1 inch by 4 by 8 foot sheets of foam insulation with the aluminum foil backing, you'll need some aluminum foil duct tape and basically a bread knife. This is one from my kitchen. Don't tell my wife. Hopefully I can get it back before she finds out. This works real well for cutting the insulation. You'll see that as I go along. What you're looking for when you cut the foam insulation down is you're looking to insert it in the channel that's in these panels. In this case, if you can see it, it goes up in a good inch or so, in here about an inch or so. My measurements, when I measured, are going to be 22 by 45 and a half. So that's what I'm going to cut my panels at. And then I'm going to insert them, and then we'll tape them off as well. Alright, as you can see, I've got the insulation panels in. I've started to tape it. I'm going to show you a few more steps of how I tape it off. It's not a real hard project at all, folks. It's actually pretty simple. The thing I will tell you with this aluminum foil tape is be careful. The edges can be sharp, can potentially cut you, so just be aware of that. You want to make sure you're not overlapping your seam or the hinge. Thanks for sticking with me to watch the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that project. If you have hollow core garage doors like I do, and you can't afford new ones, or you don't want to buy new ones because you're too cheap like I am, this is the way to go. About 60 bucks in materials, a couple hours of your time, and you're going to be more warm, more comfortable in your garage. I'm curious though, what have you done this winter to make your workshop more enjoyable, more comfortable, more safe, and fun to work in? Drop some comments down below, let me know what that is. Other than that, remember, your couch sucks. It's time to get up, get on, get outside and do something that you enjoy. See ya. Okay, so I won't be inviting the dogs out into the garage workshop anymore. Nice little treat for me.